Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Today I'm making chicken potato cutlets. Hope you will like this recipe. Let me know your feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. For potato chicken cutlets, I have 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. I will use 1 big onion. I have 3 and 4 potatoes boiled and I already mashed it. I will use green chilies. You can use as per your taste. In spices, I have 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder and garam masala powder. So let's start preparation. In a bowl, I will add mashed potato. I will add shredded chicken. I will add 1 cup onion. I will add all the spices. I will add green chilies. Let's prepare the cutlets. I have this Nutrilla cap. I will put plastic sheet and we'll start making kebab. You can see now all cutlets are ready. We will fry with gram flour mixture. Let's prepare the coating of the cutlets. I have 3 spoons of gram flour. I will add salt to taste and red chili powder. I will add water and make a smooth paste. We will add the oil. We will coat gram flour batter like this. You can see now cutlets are ready. Let me take it out. You can see now cutlets are ready. This is the final look. Hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.